All right, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. We have officially spent the entire parts budget for the month. The truck now has wheels worth more than itself. My wife is gonna kill me. Does anyone have an extra room? I have been sleeping on the couch. Stay, steady, steady, steady. What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Today, we're talking wheels for the old clapped out Cummins. But first, before we dive straight into the wheels, let's see how they look on the truck. Okay, let's get a couple things straight before we move forward. My wife was cool with the purchase. She went with me to get the wheels. They don't even fit on the front because it's too low. We're running a 22 by 12 negative whatever offset and a 35 1250 tire. The one wheel has a good amount of curb rash, which whatever. And there was like 5 Allen bolts that hold the caps on the center caps snapped off inside the wheel. So I had to drill and tap 5 of them. That's already done, taken care of. I just have to get some new Allen bolts. I need 5 more of these puppies. So anyways, the front doesn't fit whatsoever. You can't even turn. You gotta go straight. You can only go straight with the wheels, which, okay, we can't get out of the garage because you gotta turn a lot to get out, but we'll figure that out. With that high of an offset wheel, the front end's probably gonna fall apart on the truck. So we're gonna look forward to that. Hopefully I have a camera handy for when that happens. So I'm pretty sure these are the American Force Independence wheel. So that's like their OG style. I actually was looking for that exact style for the truck. Turns out, found it was like a couple hours away. Messaged the dude on Marketplace. Yes, Marketplace got the best of me yet again. And I spent all my money. So the clapped out Cummins is now sitting on American Forces, which my good truck doesn't even have forged wheels. So what? Oh yeah. All right, so for lug, I almost forgot, for the lugs that we're going with here, is the camera in focus, where I went with the metal lug, spiked lugs. I don't know why, I like spiked lugs. Say what you want, I don't care. Whoa. I've probably been using these for the past like 6 or 7 years. I use these at my install shop when anyone wanted spiked lugs. They're always, you know, pretty much great quality. I've never had any issues with them. I have them on my Ford, and they're going on the clapped out Cummins. So, and yeah, you can get these. This isn't sponsored or anything. You can get these in like black or chrome, and they give you their own key, and it goes right onto your 1/2 inch, whatever you got. So that's nice. You don't have to like put a socket on the back here, whatever. It works very nice. The backs of the wheels were like absolutely hammered. So I took the buffer wheel on the Harbor Freight Warrior down there, and I just hit the inner barrels. So we're rocking with a polished outside and a brushed inside. I think that's kind of cool. It looks, you know, looks pretty good. I didn't go too crazy around the weights and stuff because I'm gonna change these tires because these tires are trash. Kenda Clever RTs, and the dude like roasted the tires right before he sold them. So 2 of them are smoked, 2 of them are good, but I'm not running those tires anyways. On the truck, you can see right there where the bolt snapped off for the center cap. Drilled it out, tapped it, done deal. And where is the curb rash? There's a little bit of curb rash right here on the American Force, and then there's a nice little chunk right there. But like blemish-wise, that's it for the wheels. And they really need a polish. They're super scratched, but they work great on the clapped out Cummins. So you know what I realized? I don't have a freaking air chuck for the compressor at the shop. Like, who doesn't have one of those at a garage? So I couldn't put air in the tire. There's like 20 pounds in all of the tires. So I'm headed to the gas station But so far, these things are smooth as glass, which is impressive because the dude said that he put these tires on and never balanced them, so the weights on the wheels are from whatever tires were on there previously, so the Kenda Clever RTs are on here unbalanced, rocking the old weights that were on there from whatever tires were on there before. Guys, you know what I just realized I did here? I put the big tires, the ones that don't have a burnout on them, I put them on the front. I probably should have put the smaller tires on the front, less diameter size, to be able to clear the tiny wheel well right there. So we got to get in there with the grinder and do a whole bunch of trimming. I'm actually super pumped on how the truck looks. Old clapped out Cummins is looking fresh. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think on the American forces for the old rig back there. All right, guys, if you made it this far, you are freaking awesome. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. We are on the journey with the Cummins. We got wheels, I guess. Is it IG worthy? No, because it has a crappy bed on it. There's dents and stuff all over it. Guys, they definitely rub, but they have more clearance than I thought. You know, like normal driving, you can do it, but pulling in like gas stations or parking spots or something like that, no bueno.